try Scott Barnes' method on how to get yourself a lip augmentation without using any fillers. So you want to see how if this method works, please keep on watching. So the first time I saw this method was when Tati Westbook had her video with Scott Barnes, and he taught her how to use some techniques to make her lips look a little bit bigger. She did say that she sometimes gets a little bit of filler to make her lips look a little bit more plump, but you did see the difference in there. And then I said, well, she still got lip fillers on. But today I saw another video that Jamie Page did the same thing. Of course, she has already very pretty plump lips, but they even look plumper than what she already has. So I said, well, let me give it a try. With aging, your lips start getting the collagen. It doesn't produce as much, so your lips start getting a little bit thinner, especially your upper lip. So let's give this a whirl. What do you need? You need your contour cream. They did use a cream. You also need a lip liner to contour your lips. After that, some kind of nude lipstick, your favorite. Lip gloss to put in the center of your lips to make it pop and bring up the light. So what did I bring today? Today I have, this is a contour shade that I've been using. This is the Tom Ford. It's called the Illuminate Intensity 1. So it has this contour shade that works for me. The liner that I saw Jamie Page use was a Makeup Forever. It's Forever Chestnut. I have it. But I also have the KKW Nude II. I think I may use this liner instead of this one. Jamie Page is very fair. So yeah, let's try this one for that. I also got the Persona Cosmetics OG to be used as my nude. And then the Fenty, the first gloss bomb that she launched on her line. So let's get started. I don't want to waste any more time. I have my mirror in here and it's magnifying, so I don't need to put on my glasses. And the way that she did it is she had a concealer brush to grab the contour color. So let's do that. And with that color, she started going around her lip, just a little bit outside, by using a brush instead. So let's try that. And I'm gonna be just contouring your lip, just going around the line of your lips. I don't know if I went too much. Let's try to get a little bit. Don't go too crazy, that's what she said, don't go too crazy, and as you get closer to the corners, don't go outside the line, just try to go back inside. And then, I'm going to grab a little bit more, so it's the same. I feel like I need to put a little bit more. There you go. So after you do that part, he said, get a little bit of your foundation. So I'm going to use the Dior. Today's late. This is me coming back from work, getting excited to try this. So the light is not that good. I have the ring light in here. So she grabbed that and then a beauty blender. And with the same foundation that you use, She tapped it a little bit around the mouth so you don't look like you have a brown, you know. And this helps you kind of disguise a little bit, but it still make your lip look a little bit better. So let's go. Then she recommended to use a color very close to a contour line to line your lips. So I'm gonna do that. This is a KKW Nude II. So you're outlining a little bit, but not too much. As you get to the corners, line the corners as well. So doing the corners is supposed to bring your pout a little bit out. So that's what she said. All right. And I'm gonna use the same brush, kind of soften up the liner. And I'm gonna now put my Persona OG, is the matte liquid lipstick. One of the first launches that she did. It's very light on me, but so the trick is to use a lighter color in the center of your mouth. And let's blend it. Okay. Last step, the gloss. This gloss smells so good. And that is the trick. I'm gonna put my mirror a little bit farther out. I don't think it worked for me. I actually gonna put a poll on this video. Let me know if you think my lips look a little bit bigger or not. I'm gonna put another picture right next to me over here. I'm supposed to be serious, so let me know what you think. I am not impressed. I think they look the same. I guess I may have to start saving some money and invest on the lip fillers, but it was worth a try. I was glad that I have everything she used. If you guys decide to try it, please tag me or send me a picture. I will really like to see what you guys accomplish. I mean, if you have any tips, if you saw that I did something wrong or that I missed a step, I wrote it all down, so I was hoping I didn't miss anything. But if I did, or you have any other recommendations or colors that will work better to try to use this method to plump my lips, I will definitely appreciate any recommendation. That was it. Today was a short one. I hope you're having a nice day, and I will see you in my next one. Hey, please click that subscription bell, okay? Bye.